includes 30 ideas and Canva tips to get you started this week. 5 ways to make money with Canva. Canva templates. Instagram content calendar. A monthly visual calendar where users can plan and preview their Instagram posts, stories, and reels for consistency in branding and scheduling. Ebook/workbook templates. A set of coordinated pages for content, chapter divisions, exercises, and checklists to help creators design engaging digital products. Branding kit, a bundle including logo variations, color palettes, typography guides, and brand imagery guidelines. Podcast graphics, templates for podcast cover art, episode promotions, and audiograms for sharing snippets on social media. Webinar or online workshop slides are a set of slides with cohesive designs for title pages, content slides, Q&A sections, and call to action endings. Event invitation and materials include digital invitations, RSVP cards, event programs or schedules, and thank you cards. Social media challenge graphics feature a series of posts to promote a 7-day or 30-day challenge, complete with daily prompts and trackers. Pricing and service guide, a visually appealing template to display the different packages, prices, and services offered by a business or freelancer. Real estate listing presentations, templates tailored for realtors to showcase property photos, descriptions, floor plans, and neighborhood highlights. Client testimonial templates, a range of designs to effectively display client reviews, testimonials, or case studies, optimized for sharing on various social platforms. Here are 5 ideas for recorded slideshows created on Canva that have the potential to be both engaging and marketable. Mindfulness and meditation. Guide. A visually calming slideshow with guided meditation prompts, relaxation techniques, and accompanying peaceful imagery. Each slide could represent a day or a specific focus, and users can follow along as a daily relaxation ritual. Digital recipe book. A collection of themed recipes like summer BBQ classics or vegan desserts. Each slide showcases a beautifully designed recipe card with ingredients, instructions, and a tantalizing image of the finished dish. DIY home decor projects. A series of slides offering step-by-step DIY home decor ideas. Each slide provides a list of materials, instructions accompanied by visual aids, and tips for customization. Perfect for crafters and home improvement enthusiasts. Historical highlights. Targeted towards educators and history enthusiasts, this slideshow could cover significant events from a specific time period, featuring images, timelines, brief descriptions, and trivia. For instance, Renaissance's most influential figures or decade highlights, the 1980s. Personal Growth Challenge. A 30-day personal growth or self-care challenge. Each slide introduces a new task or activity for the day, along with motivational quotes and space for personal reflection. This can be aimed at individuals looking to improve their mental well-being, develop a new skill, or cultivate positive habits. Workbooks are a great way to provide actionable steps and guidance to users in a visually appealing and organized manner. Here are 5 ideas for marketable workbooks that could be created using Canva. Personal Branding Blueprint. A workbook designed to guide individuals through the process of defining and refining their personal brand. It could include sections for identifying strengths, mission statements, defining target audiences, creating content strategies, and crafting a unique visual identity. Financial Freedom Planner. A workbook that assists users in budgeting, saving, and investing their money. Sections could include monthly budget trackers, saving goals, debt repayment plans, and investment overviews. Mindful Wellness Journal. A holistic workbook focusing on mental, physical, and emotional well-being. It could feature daily reflection prompts, mood trackers, self-care activities, guided meditation steps, and nutritional tips. Start Your Own Business Toolkit. Aimed at budding entrepreneurs, this workbook could guide users step-by-step through business ideation, planning, financial projections, branding, and marketing strategies. It could also have templates for business plans and checklists for legal and operational considerations. Master the Art of Time Management. A workbook centered around productivity and time management. It might feature weekly and monthly planners, time blocking templates, priority task lists, habit trackers, and sections on goal setting and reflection. How-to guides provide actionable step-by-step instructions on a specific topic, and they're in demand because they help users achieve specific goals or tasks. Here are 5 ideas for marketable how-to guides that could be designed using Canva. Instagram Mastery. A guide on optimizing Instagram profiles. understanding analytics, crafting compelling captions, and mastering the art of stories and reels. Dive deep into strategies for engagement, follower growth, and content planning. Beginner's Guide to Podcasting. A comprehensive guide on starting a podcast from scratch. It would cover topics such as equipment selection, content ideation, recording tips, editing tutorials, and distribution and promotion strategies. DIY home decor on a budget. This guide can help readers transform spaces in their homes without breaking the bank. Include DIY project instructions, budget-friendly decor tips, and sources for affordable materials and furnishings. Plant-based cooking for everyone. A guide dedicated to those looking to explore vegan or vegetarian cuisines. It would provide essential kitchen tools, a list of pantry staples, simple and delicious recipes, and tips for meal planning and prep. Self-publishing success. A step-by-step guide for aspiring authors on how to self-publish their work. Cover the process of writing, editing, formatting for various platforms. Cover design basics, pricing strategies, and promotional tactics for the book's launch. Printables or print-offs are popular because they offer quick, tangible solutions to specific needs. Here are 5 ideas for marketable print-offs that could be designed using Canva. Planners and organizers. Ultimate weekly planner. A detailed weekly layout with sections for meal planning, workouts, personal goals, appointments, and a gratitude journal. Make it visually appealing with soft color schemes and elegant typography. Home and lifestyle family chore chart. A structured chart where family members can assign and track their weekly chores. Incorporate colorful icons and spaces for reward stickers or markers. Educational resources. Kids learning activity. Sheets. Create thematic sheets like space adventure math problems or underwater alphabet matching. Use vibrant illustrations to make learning more engaging. Financial tools, budgeting, and expense tracker. A monthly layout for individuals to jot down their income, expenses, savings, and any financial goals. Include sections for notes and reflections on spending habits. Health and wellness. 30-day fitness challenge. A monthly layout with daily exercises targeting different parts of the body. Incorporate motivating quotes and checkboxes for each day completed. So you've got the tools, you've got the ideas, but now comes the big question. How do you actually turn those Canva creations into cold, hard cash? Let's break it down. Canva templates. Templates are all the rage right now. From Instagram story templates to resume designs, the world is your oyster. Monetize by creating bundles of templates and selling them on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Once you've built a reputation, you could even launch your own website or sell through a membership model. Printables. Who doesn't love a good printable? Planners, journals, calendars. There's something so satisfying about bringing a digital design to life. Monetize by setting up an online store or joining marketplaces like Etsy or Shopify. Offer custom personalization for an extra fee. That's how you make money. Slideshows and recorded lessons. You've mastered Canva, and now it's time to share that knowledge. Record lessons or tutorials with slideshows showcasing your design hacks and skills. Monetize by selling courses on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. Consider setting up a YouTube channel and earn through ads, sponsorships, or paid memberships. Workbooks and how-to guides. People are always seeking to learn and grow. A well-crafted workbook or guide can be the bridge to someone's personal or professional transformation. Monetize by publishing and promoting through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing or selling digital versions on your website. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in related niches for promotional deals. Marketable print-offs. From wall art to checklists, the print-off world is vast. Design with intention, and always consider what your audience might love to hang on their walls or use in their daily life. Monetize by leveraging print-on-demand services like Printful, connecting it to your online store. Alternatively, sell digital download versions that customers can print themselves.